Ever feel like you're in a race against the clock? You're not alone. Today's world is all deadlines loom, emails pile up, social media never sleeps. We're all drowning in to-do lists, and sometimes there just aren't enough hours in the day. But hey, chin up. This is the age of technology. Remember, just when you think you'll crack under pressure, some brilliant minds invent something to ease the burden. And one of the coolest inventions, AI-powered transcription tools. These bad boys are here to save your sanity and maybe even help you catch a few extra Z's. Think about your average day: meetings, webinars, podcasts, voice notes. We're bombarded with audio and video content. Traditionally, transcribing all this stuff was a pain. You either had to do it yourself, goodbye free time, or you had to hire someone else to do it. Goodbye budget. But now we've got options. AI-powered transcription tools have swooped in like superheroes, ready to take on the tedious task of turning spoken words into text. No more carpal tunnel from furious typing. AI is here to save the day. So, what exactly are these magical AI-powered transcription tools? In simple terms, they're like super smart robots that can listen to audio or video recordings and turn them into text. These AI tools are constantly learning and improving, so they get better at what they do over time. They can recognize different accents, filter out background noise, and even differentiate between speakers. It's like having a team of super-powered secretaries working for you 24/7, except you don't have to pay them overtime or provide snacks. Remember those voice-activated virtual assistants we all know and love? Well, AI-powered transcription tools are like their brainy cousins. They take voice recognition to the next level, transforming spoken words into written text with impressive speed and accuracy. Imagine that you're in a meeting, and instead of frantically scribbling notes, you can actually focus on what's being said. These tools capture every brilliant idea, every hilarious side comment, all while you kick back and pretend to be paying attention. AI transcription tools don't just spit out a jumbled mess of words. They're smart enough to identify different speakers. Even in a crowded room, they can even add timestamps so you can easily find that crucial piece of information later on. So whether you're a journalist, a student, or a busy professional, AI transcription tools are here to lighten the load. You're probably wondering, how does it actually work? Well, get ready for a mini lesson in AI wizardry. It all starts with the magic of speech recognition. AI-powered transcription tools use sophisticated algorithms trained on massive data sets of audio to identify and interpret speech patterns. These tools capture sound waves and break them down into smaller units called phonemes, which are like the building blocks of language. The AI analyzes these phonemes, comparing them to its vast knowledge base of language to figure out what you're saying. They can filter out background noise and understand the nuances of language, like accents and slang. Finally, the AI presents you with a beautifully transcribed text document ready for you to edit, share, and analyze. Let's talk about the bottom line, folks. Time is money, and AI transcription tools are about to become your new favorite investment. Think about all those hours you spend hunched over recordings, painstakingly typing out every word. Now imagine reclaiming those precious hours. With AI on your side, you can kiss manual transcription goodbye and say hello to increased efficiency and productivity. These tools can transcribe recordings up to 5 times faster than human typists, freeing up your time for more important tasks. And let's not forget about the financial benefits. Reducing time spent on transcription translates directly into cost savings. So ditch the outdated methods and embrace the future of transcription. Your bank account and your sanity will thank you. We've all been there. You're up against a deadline, frantically trying to transcribe an important recording, and suddenly you realize you've missed a crucial word, or even worse, misinterpreted an entire sentence. But fear not, because AI transcription tools are here to save the day and your reputation. These technological marvels are incredibly, boasting accuracy rates of up to 99% or higher. Say goodbye to those embarrassing typos and misinterpretations, and hello to flawless transcriptions. AI transcription tools can also help ensure consistency in your documents. They'll transcribe everything exactly as it's spoken, including those ums and ahs that we all try to edit out of our vocabulary. So if you want to ensure the highest level of accuracy, it's time to let AI take the reins. In today's interconnected world, ensuring accessibility is more important than ever. But for individuals with hearing impairments, accessing audio and video content can be a significant challenge. Enter AI-powered transcription tools, the superheroes of accessibility. These tools can automatically generate accurate captions and subtitles for any audio or video content, making it accessible to a wider audience. Imagine you're a student trying to study in a noisy environment, or a business professional catching up on a webinar during your commute. AI-generated transcripts provide a text-based alternative to audio, allowing you to access information without disturbing those around you. By embracing AI transcription, we're not just saving time and boosting productivity, we're creating a more inclusive and accessible world for everyone. Folks, time to ditch the theory and dive into the nitty-gritty. We're talking real-world applications of AI transcription, where this tech isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's the everyday hero saving the day and sanity of professionals across the board. Take law enforcement, for example. Detectives are drowning in audio and video evidence interrogations, wiretaps, body cam footage. But fear not, justice seekers. AI transcription is on the case. These tools can quickly and accurately transcribe hours of audio and video, helping investigators identify key pieces of information, track suspects, and build rock-solid cases. And it's not just about catching criminals. AI transcription is also revolutionizing the legal profession. Lawyers can use these tools to prepare for depositions, review court transcripts, and even create searchable databases of legal documents. But wait, there's more. AI transcription isn't just for lawyers and cops. It's also making waves in the world of education. With AI transcription, students can record lectures and have them automatically transcribe, creating searchable study guides. They can even use these tools to transcribe interviews with experts or create subtitles for their own video projects. And let's not forget about the medical field. Doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals are constantly bombarded with information. Patient interviews, dictations, medical reports. AI transcription can transcribe medical records, freeing up healthcare providers to spend more time with patients and less time deciphering handwriting. Plus, it helps reduce errors and ensures that patient information is accurate and up to date. Think AI transcription is just for big corporations. Think again. Small businesses and solopreneurs, this one's for you. You're hustling, wearing all the hats, and always looking for ways to work smarter. Consider AI transcription your new secret weapon. Let's say you're a podcaster creating amazing audio content. AI transcription transcribes your episodes, making editing and repurposing content easy. AI transcription streamlines workflows, boosts efficiency, and frees up your time. So you're convinced, you're ready to ditch the notepad and embrace the future of transcription. But hold your horses. With so many AI transcription tools out there, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. First things first, what are your needs? Different tools cater to different needs, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your workflow. Next up, accuracy. This is non-negotiable. Look for tools with high accuracy rates, ideally 99% or higher. Don't be afraid to test drive a few options before committing. Most tools offer free trials, so you can take them for a spin. And finally, consider your budget. AI transcription tools range in price from free to premium. Set a budget before you start shopping. Many providers offer discounts for students, nonprofits, and large organizations. Remember that time you sent an email with a typo so embarrassing you considered faking your own death? Accuracy matters, and when it comes to AI transcription, it's not just about avoiding typos. So, how do you choose a tool that delivers on its accuracy promises? Look beyond the marketing hype and focus on the technology behind the scenes. Does the tool use advanced speech recognition algorithms? Is it trained on a massive data set of audio, including various accents and languages? Another crucial factor to consider, speaker identification. If you're transcribing meetings, interviews, or other multi-speaker audio, you'll want a tool that can accurately differentiate between speakers. A good AI transcription tool should not only transcribe words accurately, but also add punctuation, capitalization, and formatting to make your transcripts look professional and polished. So you found a tool that's accurate, reliable, and fits your budget, but wait, there's more. Many AI transcription tools offer features that can take your experience from good to awesome. One word, timestamps. If you're transcribing long recordings, timestamps are a lifesaver. Another game changer, language translation. Imagine transcribing an interview in Spanish, French, or Mandarin with a click. And for productivity junkies, integrations with apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. Choose a tool that makes your life easier, not more complicated. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through AI-powered transcription tools from their humble beginnings to their current status as productivity superheroes. They save time, boost accuracy, and make information more accessible. AI transcription is here to stay, and it's only getting smarter, faster, and more affordable by the day. Think about it. What could you accomplish with extra hours? Spend more time with loved ones. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Jump on the AI transcription bandwagon and experience the productivity revolution. Don't be intimidated by the tech. It's surprisingly user-friendly. Most tools offer free trials, so you can test drive them before committing. It's like a test drive for your productivity. Trust us, once you experience the magic of AI transcription, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.